Welcome to today's video. We will show you how to manually remove and mount a tool on the PAL RTC by hand. This process is used when the normal Part Tool command cannot be used. To begin, remove the head cover so you can access the mechanical parts more easily. Unscrew the cover screw. Then pull the cover upwards to take it off. Next, remove the head. Unscrew the head from the Y-axis. Carefully remove the head and set it aside. Pull the slider out as far as it goes. This will allow you to remove the metal cover and access the couplings. Remove the 3 screws that hold the 2 metal covers. Then, pull gently on both sides to take off the metal cover. Now that you have access to all the couplings, you can remove the tool. First, push up the needle guide coupling. Be careful, don't prick yourself with the needle. Then, release the needle guide by pushing up the outer part of the coupling. Next, push up the plunger coupling and release it the same way. Finally, push down the 3rd coupling to release the tool completely. Now you can pull the tool out. To insert the tool back in, place the tool in the correct position and push it in. You will hear a click when it locks in. Then push down the remaining 2 couplings to secure the tool. Reattach the metal cover and slide the slider back up. This lets you reach the screw that secures the head to the Y-axis. Now, let's reattach the head and cover. First, reattach the head to the Y-axis. Finally, put the cover back on the head. Make sure the back bolts of the cover slide into the holes to hold everything in place, and then secure the cover screw. Congratulations, you are done. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other how-to videos in the playlist.